What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on SpaceX stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video guys, first of all, I will show you what do I see on the price chart from the technical standpoint. I will show you several crucial levels from the technical standpoint as well, and I will show you some dates that might be very important for the company in the upcoming in the foreseeable future, let's put it this way. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market. So, and let's begin with some fundamentals. Definitely you all know what is this company about, and well, to be honest, its IPO was extremely, well, I would say overhyped because of the Elon Musk himself, because of the company, and because of some details that were changed right before this this IPO in order to propel the share price of this company. And to be honest, I wasn't so happy about these actions because I knew that the company should have much lower price targets rather than 100, I believe 130 or 160 when it was IPO'd, and it happened exactly as I predicted. And for now guys, we are nearing to the point where we could see at least a technical bounce to the upside, and in a minute I will show you what I'm talking about. But for now, let's take a look at some fundamental news. First of all, I want to pay attention to the news itself, and we have we have a successful launch of another Starship, and I have to admit that it was extremely successful because they splashed it in the ocean literally several hours ago, and it was a successful so-called landing because the vehicle was floating for quite a while on the ocean surface. And yes, it is not it wasn't the empty it wasn't an empty start. It was the deployment of new, wait a second, I will show you right here. It was a deployment of new Starlink during these tests, new Starlink satellites. And in my opinion, this Monday or the upcoming week, we can see some kind of bounce. In a minute I will show you what was and what will be the predecessor of its price action. But for now guys, I want to pay attention to some details about its fundamentals and about its recent price action. This is the article that was published on Yahoo Finance, and it's titled SpaceX stock got cut in half after joining an industry sell-off already underway. Chart of the day. And SpaceX lost about 50% from its all-time high, and it reached this bottom, so-called bottom, just yesterday, I believe, or the day before yesterday. And it is not the only company, well, with this type of quite harsh sell-off. we have 17 space stocks, among which you can find RKLB, AST Space Mobile, Redwire, and other stocks that are also in a substantial downtrend. And definitely, we can rely on the cycles for different stocks, and the cycle of so-called space stocks for now is in downtrend. It doesn't mean that it will not go higher, but the bottom is let's say a little bit unclear right now. On top of that, guys, I want to pay attention to the list of institutional investors, and here you can find that we have only green rows. That is obvious, because all these so-called smart money were forced to buy SpaceX stock because of its inclusion in several major indices. And you know what I'm talking about. Definitely, it is not, well, I would say it is an artificial actions that were made because of its inclusion in S&P 500. On top of that, guys, let me pay attention to the forecast. For now, if I click right here, you can see that we have 32 analysts who offered their price target for the next 12 months. And it is quite interesting, but the current price is exactly at the lowest forecast for the stock from one of these analysts. The average price target is set at $236.72, which is more than 100% of upside potential, and the highest price target is set at $800, which implies almost 600% of upside potential. Definitely, I would not rely on this forecast, at least for now, because we have to see more price action from the technical standpoint. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I didn't do any analysis before today's video, because it is literally a lack of information from the technical standpoint. You can see that we are on a daily time frame and we don't have any types of waves that you can rely on in order to project some price targets or some crucial levels. But at the same time, guys, again, from the technical standpoint, I found some pattern that if it breaks, we might expect a very substantial bounce to the upside. You can see that from this all-time high, SpaceX lost 50% of its value within just 38 days, and it is in consistent downtrend. But you can see that on August the 6th, sorry, it will be published its earnings report. It is the first earnings report right after IPO happened, and depending on the results, and not only results, but depending on the forecast and the vision from the C-levels executive, and I believe Elon Musk himself will represent this details, and definitely he can inspire a lot of people, and in this case the price might see at least a bounce. But how we can spot this bounce on the price chart? You can see, guys, if I switch to 6 hours time frame, this asset is in consistent downtrend without any substantial retracements to the upside. And if I connect all these stops, you can see that it is a clear range of resistance. And for now, it is a pure falling knife. You cannot, you cannot predict when the bounce happens. But if this asset breaks this level of resistance, retests it from the top, it is optional, but it is very likely that it should happen, and then goes higher. In this case, it will be a pure confirmation of its bounce, at least a bounce temporarily, let's put it this way, temporarily bounce to the upside. And guys, with this news that the SpaceX, the company, successfully launched its Starship again, and it was a very very complicated flight, to be honest, and it was 100% successful. I believe that we might see this breakout within next several sessions. So on Monday or Tuesday we might see this movement to the upside. On top of that, guys, I expect that around August the 6th, when the earnings report will be published, we might expect another set of legs to the upside. which means potentially we have two crucial levels. One of them is from the technical standpoint, and if it breaks this level of range of resistance, this sloping line, we might see this bounce. If this bounce happens like this, breakout, retest, and movement to the upside. Right after it breaks this swing high, tiny swing high, it will be a pure confirmation of the movement to the upside. I have a lot of doubts that it can reach even this swing high, but it can move higher for at least, let's say, wait a second, I will try to project these price targets, at least to 0.382 level. But this level should be adjusted. If it goes lower, we have to pull Fibo retracement tool from the very top to the very bottom, and I have to adjust it. Right here we have the lowest point at the price point of roughly $110. If it goes lower, we have to adjust this tool, and the dead cat bounce should reach at least 0.382. The next point of control will be definitely August the 6th, its earnings report date, and around this date we might also see the same exact price movement to the upside. That is why, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, subscribe to my channel and join my Patreon, and see you in the next video. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.